students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So let's see the next question. Prove that sine 30 plus cos 60 plus tan 45 is equals to sec 60. So let's start from LHS, left hand side. So sine 30 plus cos 60 degree plus tan 45 degree. This is equals to sine 30 is 1 upon 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2 and tan 45 is 1. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Now right hand side. On right hand side we have sec 60 which is equals to 1 upon cos 60 and cos 60 we know is 1 by 2. So this is equals to 1 divided by 1 by 2 which is equals to 2. So LHS equals to RHS. So proved. I will be back soon. Till then keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.